Hey everyone, welcome to Cartoon from Different Countries quiz. Let's see how well you know where your favorite cartoons come from. Guess the country before I reveal the answer. Let's begin. Before starting, subscribe to Mahum Crafty channel. Which country is the cartoon Naruto from? Time's up. It's from Japan. The Simpsons. Do you know which country it belongs to? That's right, USA. Miraculous Ladybug. Any idea? It's from France. Larva cartoon. Where is it made? Answer is South Korea. Coda beam. Which country? Of course, India. Total Drama Island. Where's it from? It's from Canada. And Peppa Pig. You've seen this one. Which country made it? It's from the United Kingdom. Pocoyo from where? Answer is Spain. Masha and the Bear. Which country? It's from Russia. Coco. This movie celebrates which country's culture? It's all about Mexico. Rio. Where's this colorful movie from? It's from Brazil. Pinocchio. Where did it originate? From Italy. Dragon Ball Z. Any guesses? Of course, Japan. Mickey Mouse. The classic cartoon is from? USA. Ratatouille. Which country's kitchen? That's right, France. Franklin the Turtle. Where's it from? It's a Canadian cartoon. Kikariki. Cartoon from which place? Yes, Russia. Winnie the Pooh. Where was he created? United Kingdom. Teutonstein. From which country? It's Egypt. Kung Fu Panda. Inspired by which country? That's China. Bluey belongs to which country? It's from Australia. The Book of Life, from which country? Yes, right, Mexico. Maya the bee originated in 'Germany. Pucca, where is it made? 100% South Korea.
Thanks for watching.